Hello, and in this video we are going to look at how to rationalise the denominator of a surd as part of the OCR Additional Maths course. So first of all we're going to look at rationalising denominators where the denominator is a single term. So we've got a number in a surd, and in this first instance we're going to rationalise the denominator by multiplying by the denominator. Now this works when we've got a single term surd like this, because when we multiply it by itself we square it, and squaring it is the inverse process of a root, and therefore the root will disappear. So if I multiply the numerators it becomes 3 root 5, the denominators become root 25, that's our multiplying surds coming in there, and then the root 25 at the bottom simplifies to 5. Now you can skip this stage out where we have root 25 when you get used to this. This second example, well, I'm still going to do the same thing. I still have a single term surd at the denominator, and if I look at the numerator here, I've got to multiply root 6 by the whole of this, so I'm going to need a bracket for that. And now I'm going to expand this bracket using exactly the same rules as I would do if it was a bracket with algebra. So that gets me to this stage. Those root 36's will simplify to 6. And then I'm going to see if I can simplify. Now I'm going to show that by factorising, simply because then we can see 2 is a factor of the numerator and the denominator. Cancel the 2's, leaves me with root 6 plus 3 over 2, and we have rationalised that denominator. So here are some you may wish to have a go at. If you want to, pause the video, and then here are the answers. And if you're okay with that, then there's an exercise you might want to have a go at. So 2 sets here, the difference being the first set all have a single term numerator, and the second set have a 2-term numerator. Some of these can be simplified first, so for instance G on H on set A, there's surds at the top and the bottom, so you can use your understanding of dividing surds to simplify the fractions first if you wish, and then rationalise what you get at the end. And here are the answers to those 2 sets of questions. In the next video we are going to be looking at rationalising the denominator of a surd with a 2-term denominator.